Want to save money on car repairs? Mechanics don't want you to know about simple maintenance tasks you can do yourself. This video reveals 10 key tips to keep your car running smoothly and your wallet happy. Learn how to avoid costly shop fees by tackling basic maintenance at home. Proper tire pressure extends tire life and improves fuel efficiency. Use a tire pressure gauge to check pressure monthly. Inflate to the recommended PSI found on your door jamb or in your owner's manual. Underinflated tires wear out faster and decrease gas mileage. For EVs, monitoring tire pressure is especially critical for maximizing range. Regular oil changes are crucial for engine health. Oil lubricates moving parts, preventing wear and overheating. Oil flows through the engine, lubricating critical components like the crankshaft and camshaft to reduce friction. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval. For most vehicles, this is typically every 3,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on oil type and driving conditions. Changing your own oil can save you significant money compared to professional shop fees, which often cost $50 to $100 per service. Always replace the oil filter with a new one during an oil change. The filter removes contaminants to keep oil clean and ensure optimal engine performance. Use the correct type of motor oil specified in your owner's manual. Common types include conventional, synthetic blend, and full synthetic oils. Remember to recycle the old engine oil properly. Never pour it down drains or dispose of it in the trash. Take it to an auto parts store or recycling center. Rotating your tires extends their lifespan by ensuring even wear. Rotate them every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Consult your owner's manual for the correct rotation pattern. This simple task can prevent premature tire replacement and save you hundreds of dollars. Brakes are critical for safety. Regularly inspect brake pads for wear. If they're thin, replace them to maintain stopping power. Listen for squealing or grinding noises, which indicate worn pads or other brake problems. Squealing often means pads are low, while grinding suggests metal-on-metal contact. Addressing brake issues early can prevent costly rotor damage. Worn pads can cause grooves and warping in the rotors, leading to expensive replacements. If you're not comfortable working on brakes, consult a professional. Brake work requires safety knowledge and proper tools to avoid accidents. A healthy battery is essential for starting your car. Clean battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Have your battery tested regularly, especially in extreme temperatures. If your battery is weak, replace it. For EVs, monitor battery health via the car's app to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Replace your engine air filter annually for better airflow and fuel economy. A clean air filter prevents dust and debris from entering the engine, improving performance and reducing fuel costs. Flush your coolant every 2 to 3 years to prevent corrosion. Coolant protects your engine from overheating and rust, ensuring the radiator and cooling system work properly. Replace spark plugs according to your owner's manual to maintain engine performance. Worn spark plugs can cause misfires, reduced efficiency, and higher emissions. Tip 9. Use fuel injector cleaner periodically to keep your fuel system clean. Deposits can clog injectors, reducing engine efficiency and fuel economy. Regular cleaning prevents this buildup, improving performance and saving on gas costs. Tip 10. Invest in an OBD2 scanner for real-time diagnostics and error code reading. These affordable tools connect to your car's computer, revealing problems before they become major issues. Regular scanning helps maintain your vehicle and avoid breakdowns. DIY car maintenance empowers you to save money and extend your car's life by addressing issues early. However, always prioritize safety and consult a professional for complex repairs to ensure proper handling and avoid potential hazards.